Basta Joy.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay, what letter is this?
N,
Very good.
C,
Very good.
D,
B, very good.
G,
Very good. Very good.
S,
Name lang usa sa letter. Kani?
R,
Very good.
Q,
Okay, name lang usa ta. Sa name lang usa tayo sa sounds ha. Unya na ta sa sounds. Okay, name usa iingon kani. Very good.
X,
Very good. Kani? Very good.
U,
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. So, karon ngayon napunta sa sounds na sa letter, no? Sound sa letter. Okay, colorin na dan. Sige, dali. Ang say sound sa letter A. Very good. Kani? Very good.
K,
Very good. Kani? Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Kani? Very good. Ayan si sound sa J. Very good. Very good. Unya ba? Alas dos. Kani? Say sound sa L. Very good. Kani? Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Kani? Very good. Very good. Very good.
Kita pa wala pa.
Say sounds.
Ako ang teacher, ang ako, ah. Hindi man ako na-drawing.
Okay, nana diri ah. Oh, sige, ingat to, sige.
Kita pa wala pa. Si Joy na po, si Joy.
Teacher,
Very good.
hindi man ako drawing.
Very good. Wow, perfect ang sounds. Sige, perfect ang sounds ni Joy. Very good.